fate of the 27,513 crore Future Retail-Reliance Group deal hangs in balance as the Supreme Court has issued a notice to Future Retail on an appeal filed by Amazon against February 8 division bench order of the Delhi High Court, which had allowed the deal to proceed. While allowing NCLT to continue hearing on amalgamation proceedings between Future Retail and Reliance Group, the final approval to the deal cannot be given without the apex court's nod. While the court was initially inclined to halt the NCLT proceedings till pendency of the case, Future Retail opposed the stay, claiming that even if NCLT continues its hearing, the meeting for amalgamation between the two companies will not take place before 6 weeks. Appearing for Future Retail, senior lawyer Harish Salve argued that there was no urgency to halt the NCLT proceedings as the procedure for amalgamation is long drawn. As Salve pointed to an upcoming hearing today afternoon on Amazon's appeal against a single-judge bench order before the Delhi High Court, the court refused to go into any further details. Appearing for Amazon, senior lawyer Gopal Subramaniam sought an urgent stay on the Future Retail-Reliance Group deal. A two-judge bench led by Justice Nariman told Amazon that the bench exactly knows what is happening, having read each and every page of the petition. However, the court refused to comment any further on the merits of this case at this stage. Future Retail will have to file its reply in 3 weeks, while Amazon will get 2 weeks to file its counter-reply. The case is likely to be listed for hearing before the top court in the last week of March. Amazon's petition in the top court against the division bench order has claimed that the division bench should have waited for the single-judge bench order before lifting the stay on the deal. Amazon has contended that the emergency arbitrator's order was valid under Indian law and Future Group was a signatory to it. Amazon has submitted that the High Court ignored group companies' doctrine while setting aside the status quo order, which was meant to protect the American company's business interests till a final decision to the dispute is reached. Amazon fears irreparable damage to its business interests if Future Retail and Reliance Group move ahead in the transaction, and has submitted that the balance of convenience in this dispute lies in its favor. On February 8, a division bench of the Delhi High Court had opened the gates for the Future Retail-Reliance Group deal and had ruled that statutory authorities like SEBI and CCI cannot be stopped from giving their nod. Observing that Amazon was not a party to the agreement between Future Retail and Future Coupons, the High Court had refrained from adjudicating legal issues raised at that stage, as the order reserved by the single-judge bench on February 2 was yet to be passed. While Amazon and Future Retail were asked to wait till final orders of the single-judge bench, the division bench will continue hearing the case in detail in the last week of February. It remains to be seen what the fate of the deal would be, since the top court is now seized of the matter and any final approval to the deal can only come through the apex court.